China's ultimate flagship luxury SUV has arrived, and it's taking aim directly at the Range Rover and Porsche Cayenne. Meet the 2026 Zeekr 9X, a mind-bending, three-row luxury super hybrid packing up to 1,380 horsepower, a 900-volt electrical architecture, 500 kilowatts ultra-fast charging, and dual NVIDIA Thor processors with roof-mounted LiDAR. Starting around $65,000, approximate 98,000 Australian dollars, welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are breaking down all the performance specs, ultra-luxury cabin tech, and cutting-edge autonomous hardware of Zeekr's ultimate flag bearer. Measuring over 5.2 meters long with a massive 3.1 meter wheelbase, the Zeekr 9X commands immediate authority on the road. Its commanding stance is accented by clean body surfacing, flush doors, and 22-inch forged alloy wheels. Look at the roof, and you'll spot a 520-line long-range LiDAR, part of Zeekr's G-Pilot H943 sensor suite. Underneath, a dual-chamber adaptive air suspension paired with a 48V active anti-roll system can raise the body by up to 110 millimeters. Under the bonnet lies Zeekr's revolutionary super hybrid powertrain. Combining a 2.0-liter turbo engine with triple electric motors, the top-spec 9X delivers a earth-shattering 1,380 horsepower, rocketing this 2.8-ton luxury tank from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Built on an 800 to 900V backbone with CATL's Freevoy battery, its 500 kilowatts DC fast charging recharges from 20 to 80% in a blistering 9 minutes, boasting a total driving range of over 1,200 kilometers. Step into the rear cabin, and the 9X rivals first-class air travel. The second-row zero-gravity lounge chairs offer full reclining with extending footrests, heating, ventilation, and massage. Overhead, a massive 17-inch 3K OLED ceiling display lowers at the touch of a button. For audio, a bespoke 32-speaker, 40-channel Naim sound system featuring built-in seat tactile shakers delivers an unmatched concert hall experience. Starting at an estimated $65,000, the 2026 Zeekr 9X redefines what a high-performance luxury SUV can be. Would you take this 1,380 horsepower super hybrid over a Range Rover P530, Porsche Cayenne Turbo E hybrid?